Hey, Tectonic, JR here. Have you seen those action figure photos that are all the rage these days and seem to be taking over social media? Do you want to know how they do this? Maybe you want to make one of your very own? Well, today I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to make your very own action figure. Alright, first thing we're going to do is find a photo of yourself that you want to use, ideally a full body photo, and we are going to upload that photo to ChatGPT. If you're making a specific action figure, like your various sports team for example, you'll want to use a photo using your team's logo, which would give ChatGPT more to work with. So first, I'm going to go onto my computer and go to ChatGPT, but you can also do this using your phone. And I've chosen this photo of myself to use, and first I will upload this photo and give it the following prompt. You are an expert in product package design. Create an image of a 3D action figure toy named blank. In this case, I will say baseball fan JR. The image should show the figure in a transparent blister package. The figure should look like the person in the photo. His style should reflect his avid fandom of baseball. On the top of the packaging, in large text, is blank in white text. And in the blank, I'm putting baseball fan JR. Below this, add a subtitle that says blank. In this case, I am putting ready for game day. This figure should be dressed in a blank and carrying blank. And I'm going to put dressed in a baseball jersey and carrying a fielder's mitt. Also, add in some supporting items to the side, such as blank, blank, and blank. In this case, I am putting a bat, a ball, and a glove. The package design should be minimal yet colorful, just like one would see sold in stores. Once that's in there, just press enter and ChatGPT will go to work, and before you know it, ta-da, your very own action figure. Now, this is a rather whimsical and comical example because I'm only 5'6" and the camera is pointing down on me, so the result is way more, shall we say, portly than I look like in real life. A couple important pointers though. First, you will get the best results by using ChatGPT Model 03, but you can also use 01 and 4.0. Don't use 4.5 though, or you'll get an error that says that it doesn't support image generation, so best to stick with 03. Also, it's best to stick with the first design it gives you. If you ask it to adjust your design, you may see some strange behavior. In this case, the figure is fine, but the hat is stretched, and what is that down there? A coffee bean? I mean, what does that have to do with baseball? But you can get some really cool results using this technique, and with this technique you can post your very own action figure on social media. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please give us a like and subscribe. And speaking of social media, you can learn all about how to protect your Facebook profile from cloning by bad actors by taking a look at this video here. And as always, thanks for watching.